what if anxiety actually isn't something to fix, but something to be better understood? What if burnout isn't a personal failure, but it's actually your nervous system asking for help? I found myself in a constant survival mode, 24/7. It was almost like I had this packed go bag. You know that feeling where you can just never rest? One day, I'm in the break room and I can't choose between hazelnut or vanilla. I didn't feel sad. I didn't feel angry. I was feeling nothing. I was numb. I was empty. I didn't understand that when I was told that I had anxiety at 25 years old and that was just going to be my lot in life. And it's a very disempowering message. When I understood this, things changed. I'm Stacey Uhrig, and I'm a trauma care practitioner and a certified hypnotherapist and rapid transformational therapy practitioner. I take all the science behind trauma and anxiety and burnout, and I break it down into simple real-life tools that actually help. Here's a question I have for you. What's in your backpack? Every single person in the world has their own lived experiences. They put them in the backpack. They also have their own interpretation of that experience. That goes in the backpack. That interpretation influences how they see themselves, the world, and other people around them. All have an internal sense of self, and at some points, different parts of us activate in our benefit. Anxiety can do that. It thinks it's helping you, but it's not. It's hindering you. So what I did was I came up with a framework, and I call it HEAL, and this is how it works. What I teach my clients is, as soon as you start to notice that sensation in your body, I want you to pause and say, hey, I sense something's going on in my nervous system. I wonder what it is. The second part is E, and it stands for engage. The third step is A, acknowledge it. And when you're doing that, we can get to L, which is letting yourself lead. When that starts to happen, there's room in your nervous system for yourself to start coming forward from a compassionate, curious place. Anxiety is not your enemy. It's a part of you, because when we stop trying to silence it and start befriending it, we don't just quiet the noise, we can begin to live from within. My mission is to help people untangle the invisible roots of what's really holding them back so they can actually reconnect with who they are. So if you're looking for a speaker who can connect on a human level and who leaves people feeling truly seen, heard, and understood, and equipped with the tools that actually work, I'm ready to make that happen.